Hey group leaders, it's Michelle with AST here to help you get a jump on your group travel plans. Are you looking for a destination that will enthrall and engage your students, as well as teach them a lot about history, culture, and geology along the way? Do they crave adventure and hands-on experience with an incredible view to boot? If so, Hawaii is the destination for you. Hawaii is not a destination for purely relaxing, though the relaxation part is quite nice here. On these islands, your group will be engrossed in the unique culture with several options to experience true Polynesian tradition throughout. Your students will be able to visit the Polynesian Cultural Center, where you will see 6 different areas that represent different island villages. You will learn about the Tonga, Aotearoa, Tahiti, Hawaii, Fiji, and Samoa tribes and villages. On the island of Aotearoa, more specifically about the Morai natives, about the meaning behind amazingly intricate facial tattoos. You'll be able to test your hand-eye coordination with the poi balls, and you'll even be able to get a temporary Morai tattoo. The geological knowledge your students will gain is also impressive, as you'll be surrounded by the pristine white sand beaches and will be able to explore the mysterious black and green sand beaches around the island as well. Your students will learn how the mix of hot lava and seawater can occasionally form black sand beaches that sometimes form overnight. Your group will also learn that the green sand beaches are green because of the Hawaiian diamond, the bright green glassy material, olivine. Your students will also be able to understand how Hawaii's active volcanoes, the landscape is ever-changing and expanding. Give us a call today to begin planning an educational and fun trip to Hawaii. While you're here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook for more fun travel tidbits. Until next time.